It has been quite a ride for stocks heading into the final trading session of the month, quarter, and first half of the year. All three major indices up double digits, as we said, year to date, led by the S&P with 14. Second best first half for the S&P, Jim, since 98.
And I don't think it's done. We are now in the seasonally strongest period. We have, if you buy today and held it for between 8 and 12 days, you almost always have a winning trade. I'm talking about selling 75, 80%. Thank you, Larry Williams, for this. So do not say that just because we've had a great first half, it's time to ka-ching, ka-ching. Things are right and ripe for a further rally.
So you've not been unnerved by fewer names above the 50-day, stronger reliance on FANG in terms of the indices?
Interesting you mention that because Larry was going over with me. Microsoft, he thinks, is the most dangerous stock. It's been going up on very light volume. Some of the FANGs otherwise. I look, my lead group is not FANG. It's the semis. And the semis are a beauty to behold. Micron reports tonight. And there's word that Micron is going to blow the number away. Micron has been it's only up 10% versus 20% for the S&P. But I think AMD is a very sneaky stock here. Look at that one. Quietly, step by step, inch by inch, AMD goes to 90.
B of A today takes the target to 120 on AMD on data center. But there's so much news, Jim. There's the breakout of semis overall yesterday.
Yes.
There's Micron tonight. BMO goes to 110.
How about that?
Yeah.
That was very aggressive. And don't forget, AMD, what we're really waiting for there is the closing of the Xilinx deal, which I understand is imminent. And then we no longer have to hear Gelsinger from Intel bash AMD in this subtle way, because AMD is going to have a whole different pastiche, if not mosaic, of business.
That's the second time in the last 30 seconds you mentioned AMD.
Well, because the stock's gone up 10 points and no one's even mentioned it.
Mm-hmm. And you consider that it's going to go even higher? Is that what you're saying?
Lisa Su has a roadmap, not just because the next one she has is Milan. She has a lot of Italian cities. That's the roadmap. It's named after Italian cities.
I see.
I've been waiting for Florence.
You have?
Yeah.
And that's what going to be the next chip or something?
I hope.
Yeah.
It's my bet. No one knows what city she's going to name next.
I'll
tell you, Rome wasn't built in a day, but this stock could go to 110.
Stock could go to 110.
Even
that's 30 points from here. Really?
Even Taiwan Semi, Susquehanna goes to neutral.
My math's terrible.
On TSM. 105.
I don't know who would not be loving Taiwan Semi, other than people who fear that the Chinese communists, by the way, they are communists, David.
Yes.
Puts a button, are going to take over Taiwan, which there are, I'd say, a percentage of people I deal. I always ask CEOs every time I go out with them, which is pretty much every night, what is your fear? And their fear is always Taiwan. It's not the Delta variant. It's Taiwan. Everyone's worried that one day we'll wake up and it's Hong Kong. I wish people were less worried, but that's what I keep getting. And I don't prompt them. I say, what is your number one worry? Taiwan. It's foundries. Time Magazine has a big piece on foundries. Obviously, we're all hostage.
When I think back to earlier in the, quarter, certainly in the half, you were directionally strong on Caterpillar and Boeing and the cruise lines. I assume at this point you are waiting to see what happens next.
I have to. Look, I personally do not fear the Delta variant because I have Moderna. I think that the more we hear from people that maybe we're in trouble, which we didn't think we were, then I think that people, again, say, okay, listen, I got to pull back. Why be the last soldier to die in this war? David, I don't know. I mean, are you back wearing look at that, NVIDIA? Look at NVIDIA, up 52%.
Yes.
Did you know that NVIDIA the second has got his own? They just showed me the name tag.
Never stops.
I just got the name tag for NVIDIA the second.
One of the largest markets.
NVIDIA.
You did, number two.
Yeah, they're going to send
otherwise
it to me.
known as Ragu.
He answers to NVIDIA.
Okay.
As long as you have a treat in your hand.
Yeah.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.